Over here on the Flash Fill tab, let's look at Excel's feature called Flash Fill. Flash Fill, in essence, fills out your data based on a pattern that Excel detects. The easiest thing to do here is to just show you examples. So here we've got first and last name, and we want to split it out between first name and last name in two separate columns. If you just start typing Adam, Alec, Excel is going to show you this pattern that it's detecting. You're providing the first word in column A. If you just press enter, it's going to fill out that information. You can see that it's showing you that this was a flash fill item. So flash fill may automatically pop up. If it's not popping up, so we'll type Wyatt right there. If it's not popping up, type one instance of what you want and then hit the Control E button to bring up flash fill again. You can also find flash fill on the data tab of the ribbon in this flash fill button right here. Flash fill can do more than just the simple first name last name bit. Here we've got a bunch of item numbers, and let's say we want to pull the item number out of the data. So 4011, we'll hit Control E, and it's smart enough to recognize we're not just looking for 4 digits, we're just looking for the digits that follow that pound sign. Same thing here. If we type 13A, that's the data that is found within parentheses. So we'll type Control E again, and it will fill out our information. Flash fill can be a little finicky and might not pick up on the pattern that you're giving it, so proceed with caution. But it can save a lot of time if you're trying to do some repetitive data entry. Another thing to note, it may take more than one instance to let Excel pick up on the pattern that you're trying to do. So if flash fill isn't exactly working the way that you want it to, try giving Excel a few more examples and then hit that Control E button.